What's going on, traders? This is Mike with Tactical Traders and just doing some post-market scans today on August the 27th. And right now I am looking at ticker symbol JBLU, JetBlue, actually my favorite airline to travel with, side note. But I am looking at the daily chart over the last year. And as you can see, the price action hasn't been the best because of obvious events in recent time. However, I do see a pattern unfolding. And before I go into that pattern, I just want to say, if you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We do post these videos daily, and it's always great to see another like being hit and another subscriber being added. Gives us the motivation to continue on with these videos daily. But anyways, just to drop some areas of interest, we can see that the price did drop down to a low of 661 right here. However, it has bounced there and created a nice uptrend right here, this yellow trend line. We also see that there's some areas of resistance, and most easily to see, and in today's price action is a good example. This we'll see right about here, around 1130 area, 1150 area, has been resistance in the more recent price history. So we're going to be seeing this range get tighter and tighter. And we see that it did pop above there momentarily, so you can see the range when it does get above this. It can absolutely move. This one moved from 12.5 all the way up to 15, 15.5. So this thing can move with some good range when volume is behind it. The price did get pulled back inside the pattern and then bounced off the bottom trend line before resistance again, and then the bottom trend line, and now the range is getting tight. You actually see this pattern a lot with the sector in general, a lot of other airlines and such, because now things have maybe started turning around and you can start to see a reversal happen. Not saying it is, but here's the areas to watch. So we have this nice triangle pattern coming up, and real areas of interest would be the push past the 1230, 1250 area and upwards, maybe testing this this purple line, the 200 SMA around 14, 13.75, somewhere between there. But I'd be looking actually more up around here, around the $15 mark, for some extra resistance, because that is where it has moved in the past. So I could absolutely see 15 being a area of profit taking, or at least a first area of profit taking. If you're going to be going into more of a shorter trade on this, we can go up to the 30-minute 10-day chart, and we can see that in the last 4 or 5 days, there's been an increase of volume and an increase of range in price. So the price has popped up here, causing new support at around 11, 11.10, and then having resistance pretty much right about, I'm going to say right here at 11.45, before breaking out in today's action, moving up, and the price did pull back and almost tested past resistance as support before bouncing and going back up. So overall, this is actually a pretty good sign for me. The bulls have held on to majority of their gains. And it looks like intraday, I know this is the extended hours right here, but intraday, it looks like this has been an area of resistance to 1180 area. So if you're going to be looking to trade this quickly, keep an eye on the 1150 area and the 1180. You can always trade this range if price does bounce around in here. And look for a breakout past 1180 with a considerable amount of volume. We might even see that push up and outside of this triangle pattern at 1150. So this could be an absolutely great swing trade setup, or maybe even an investment if you're looking in the long term. Only time's really going to tell, but it's definitely something to keep an eye on, and keep an eye on that volume. Volume is going to be key in any of these moves that are probably going to be unfolding in the next week, maybe a couple days. All right, traders, thank you for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on StockTwits, Facebook, and Instagram for more. And until next time, traders, stay profitable.